9 divided by 3 times the quantity 1 plus 2. This is another internet war problem, and you're about to pick a side. Most people solve this like this. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. Done. They treat 3 times 3 as a chunk that belongs together. But they're wrong. This is the same trap that breaks the internet every time it goes viral. Once you solve the parentheses, the 3 is not attached to the 3. Division and multiplication are equal, so you go left to right. Here's the correct solution. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. The answer is 9, not 1. This problem has caused thousands of arguments online. People who say 1 think implied multiplication has priority. It doesn't. The answer is 9. If this surprised you, smash that like and subscribe. The comment section is about to go to war, and you're now armed with the truth.